friend Phil's been here for 2.5 hours waiting for this train. Not this one, the one behind it. So we're calling the number, or he's calling the number, and hopefully we can get this resolved, because these are not going to turn around right here. Too dangerous. Well, it's not possible really. We'd have to back up onto that little street over there, and suboptimal, that's for sure. So I just called the police, and they were they're basically going to call me or be on their way, and now all of a sudden it's starting to move. Of course, right? That's how it works, and it's moving in the right direction, because the end is down that way. Phil, you're going to be famous now.
All right.
Yep, this big YouTube business right here.
Uh-oh.
I've got like at least 49 followers, so I am on my way to fame. Slowly but surely, and I just wasted a cop's time. I mean, the police. It might stop again, yeah. And we do need like 20 cars to pass. It's getting some momentum. Big Mo is in motion. I should have worn my hat. Nah, it wouldn't have worked at that angle. Okay, well, if he calls me, I guess I'll just have to end it. If they, yeah, he got some good. Phil's been here for 2.5 hours, but one way or another. Huh?
Start your engine and air up your brakes.
Yeah, there we go. Okay. I didn't think it could stop in time to make that not happen.